Big news coming in straight from the Federal Capital Territory, and it concerns every Igbo person who believes in the future of the southeast of Nigeria. Okay, so according to a report by This Day News, the Igbo Community Association (ICA), that's the top socio-cultural body representing Igbo in Abuja, has come out boldly to applaud the Deputy Speaker of the House of Reps, our very own Right Honorable Benjamin Kalu, for pushing so hard, to establish the Southeast Development Commission, also known as the SEDC. Yes, the SEDC is a major win, but guess what? The ICA says that's not enough, and we agree. In a statement signed by its president, the president of the Igbo Community Association, Engineer Ikenna Ellis, he said the ICA is now urging Benjamin Kalu to take things further by pushing for something we've all been waiting for, which is a functional seaport in the southeast. I'm not sure you get that right. He wants Benjamin Kalu to take things to the next level by pushing for a functional seaport in the southeast. It's right about time. Don't you agree with me? That's right. A seaport, not in Lagos, not in Rivers, but right here in our region where commerce is thriving and businesses are booming. The group did not hold back. They called it what it truly is, an economic injustice that for too long has placed a burden on Igbo business owners. Imagine importing goods and having to go through the madness in Lagos ports, paying outrageous levies, facing multiple checkpoints, and still driving all the way to Onitsha or Aba. For what exactly? ICA made it clear this is not by accident. It's a calculated neglect, a deliberate act that has been stifling our economic potential for decades. They want immediate federal attention on two abandoned but strategic seaport projects, one in Abia State and another seaport in Anambra State. Now get this, the port in Abia State is not just some new idea. It used to be an active maritime hub during the colonial era, and is just 295 kilometers from the Atlantic Ocean. That's not far at all when you consider global standards. ICA says reviving these ports can reduce Lagos congestion, cut logistics costs, and even boost industrialization in the entire region. He also dropped some hot facts that you who is watching might be interested. Nigeria has 6 seaports under the Nigerian Port Authority, but only 2, both in Lagos, are fully operational. That means Igbo importers are left struggling with inflated costs, exploitative conditions, and constant delays just to move goods from Lagos to the east. That's really not fair, and ICA says it must end now. And for those who say a seaport in the southeast would not be viable, ICA clapped back hard. They reminded everyone that cities like Onitsha, Aba, and Nnewi are already handling massive volumes of non-oil trade without any seaports. Imagine the possibilities if we had our own. They also warned that continued neglect would worsen the feeling of marginalization already spreading in the region. According to them, the federal government must match their talk of national development with action and not leave the southeast behind. ICA ended by calling on all Igbo federal lawmakers to stand up and demand what's rightfully ours. They praised Deputy Speaker Kalu for his courage and called him a fearless, pragmatic leader who can make this dream a reality, just like he did with the Southeast Development Commission. And let's be honest, a seaport in the southeast of Nigeria will not just help us, it will help Nigeria as a whole by easing pressure on Lagos, attracting foreign investment, and boosting national productivity. So over to you, our joyous viewers. What do you think? Should the Southeast finally get its own seaport? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like this video and share with someone who needs to hear this message loud and clear.